Okay, so this video is this is to do homework help for tonight's homework, multiplication, property of exponents. So I'm going to work over some of the even number problems. Problem number 2 is x to the 7 times x to the negative 6 times y to the negative 3. So I know when I multiply like terms and I have exponents, I just add the exponents to get my answer, right? I don't have to write them all out. And I can imagine this one as being 7x's over 6x's, right? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I were to write this out as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bam, 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 bam. So it's going to be 1. And I know that also because 7 minus 6 is 1. So it's just x, y to the negative 3, which I can simplify more by saying x over y to the 3. And that's my answer, box my answer. The next one, b to the 4 to the 6th power times b. And we're going to put a little 1 in just to make sure I know what I'm doing. When I raise a power to a power, I multiply. So 4 times 6 is 24. So I'm going to end up with b to the 24 times b to the 1. That one is still there. And then I just add these. So it's b to the 25. And then problem number 6 is p to the 4 and times q to the 4, all raised to the 7th power. So I need to do, I need to modify this power and this one because this entire expression is raised to the 7th power. So it's going to be p to the 4 times 7 times q to the 2 times 7. So simplified, that is 28. So it's p to the 28 times q to the 14. Box my answer. And then number 8 is x to the 2, y to the negative 3, x to the negative 2, and y to the negative 3 again. This is an addition of exponents model. So it's x to the 2 minus x to the minus, or sorry, I'm hearing a lot of voices outside. X to the 2, or 2 minus 2 is going to be 0. So it's going to be x to the 0, and then negative 3 minus 3 more is going to be negative 6. So this simplifies to being 1 over y to the 6th. Box my answer. Okay. For number 10, I have negative 3x squared times 5x to the negative 3rd. So this is like saying, it's like saying negative 3 times x to the 2 times 5 times x to the negative 3. So negative 3 times 5 is negative 15. And then I add my exponents here because I have multiplication. 2 minus 3 is a negative 1. So x to the negative 1. But I can simplify that more by saying that this x is going to go under my division sign, x to the 1. So I have negative 15 over x to the 1, or negative 15x. Okay. And the last one I'm going to do is a number 11, where I have several numbers here. I have 2m to the 2nd times 4m to the 4th times 8n, all raised to the 2nd power here. So I'm going to go 2 times m to the 2nd times 4 times m to the 4th, and then here it gets tricky, times 8 to the 2nd times n to the 2nd, because I had to distribute that exponent into both of my numbers here. let's simplify this first. So 64 n to the second, m to the fourth. I'm just rewriting this down below so I can see my entire problem. So I have 2 times 4 times 64. Hi, James. Which is, no, I'm recording a video. So it's 8 times 64. I'll figure that out later. Maybe James can figure it out while I'm doing this. M to the second, just give 1 second. So 2 plus 4 is 6, so m to the 6th. And then I just bring the n to the second down. So that cancels, these have canceled, and then the n comes down here. 64 times 8. What is 64 times 8, James? So I'm asking you because I'm on a video. 6 times 8 is 48, 49, 50, 51. So it's going to be 512 m to the 6, n to the 2, and that's my answer. Thank you.